Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Credit Karma app. First, download the app from your App Store and create a free account. You'll need to provide some basic information to verify your identity. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which is your central hub for all things credit and finance. It's designed to give you a quick snapshot of your financial standing. To check your credit score, simply navigate to the Scores section. Here, you'll see your TransUnion and Equifax scores, updated frequently. The app also breaks down the factors influencing your scores, like payment history and credit utilization. This helps you understand what's working well and where there might be room for improvement, empowering you to make informed financial decisions. Credit Karma offers robust monitoring tools. Head to the Reports section to review your full credit report for errors. You'll also get free credit monitoring alerts, notifying you of significant changes or potential fraud. This proactive approach helps you stay on top of your financial security and quickly address any issues that may arise, protecting your financial well-being. Finally, explore the Recommendations tab. Credit Karma analyzes your credit profile to suggest personalized financial products, such as credit cards, loans, and insurance. You can compare options, see your approval odds, and even apply directly through the app. This feature helps you find products that align with your financial goals, potentially saving you money and improving your financial situation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.